parang sabi nila, madalas na magkaaway ang architect at engineer. Tama ba yun? Myth or fact?
Myth lang yan.
Myth.
Oo.
Okay.
Totoo bang boss yung mga
Kasi
foreman?
si Popoy si Popoy tsaka si Basha magkaaway di ba? Sa One More Chance.
Sila.
Si
Popoy at
at
Basha.
Sa
kasi
One More Chance. Hindi, ano lang.
Kailangan sasabihin niya,
Hindi kasi before, ito, baka kasi masyadong boring yung topic. Pero kasi way back, merong overlapping ng roles yung mga civil engineer and architects. Hindi mo nga, before nga, hindi mo alam kanino ba talaga yung role na pagpapagawa ng bahay. Engineer ba or architect? Mga ganon. Pero last year kasi, the architects won the case na ang architectural design should be for only architects.
So kunwari, magpapagawa si Dave ng bahay, bumili na siya ng lote, sinong una niyang tatawagan? Engineer or architect?
Ideally, architect. Pero pwede rin naman sa engineer. Pero dapat team. Kasi kailangan ng architect na engineers. So team sila. So yung architect na lalapitan mo, dapat may engineers. Yung engineer na lalapitan mo, dapat may architect.